If you're a sales leader, you've probably got a good idea of what success looks like. More wins, bigger deals, growth that doesn't slow down. But your success really depends on how you focus your time. Which deals should you chase? Which relationships matter? Which actions will drive results? That's where SugarCRM comes in. We put sales leaders back in control. You get clarity with all your information in one place. You get consistency with clear next steps for your team. And you get confidence with insights you can act on today. Because in sales, confidence is everything. You need to make the right move, at the right time, every time. And what happens when you do that? One manufacturer using sugar not only met their annual sales goal, they exceeded it by 44%. And another company uses sugar to offer upsells at the right time that boosted revenue by 58%. Ready to start winning more? Let's talk about what SugarCRM can do for you. SugarCRM. Unlock sales potential.